Hello everyone, this is Kate with Scott Loren Marketing. Today I'm going to go over with you how to create an email campaign with a Thanksgiving social design so that you can blast that out to your database. So the first thing that we're going to do is log into Command by going to agent.kw.com and signing in with your KW username and password. From there, I've already created a social design within Command. So I've created this one on another tip video, which I will link in the description. So if you guys need that, you can find that there. But I'm going to walk you through how to add this to an email campaign so we can send it out. So the first thing we're going to do is go over to campaigns. From there, we're going to just hit create a campaign, and this is going to be an email campaign. I'm going to do Thanksgiving 2023. And we're just going to do other because this is just a holiday post. We just want to say happy Thanksgiving to everyone. So I'm going to go ahead and hit create. From there, I should already have a list created that I want to send this out to. But for today, we're just going to go ahead and hit test. If you need to create that list, you can do that by going to create so that you can select everyone in your database. And all you can do is hit select all. You can drag down until you've literally grabbed your entire database and hit select all and add. But then we're going to enter our subject. So I'm just going to say happy, let's name that, what are you thankful for? And I did that kind of weird, so we're just going to go back. And then from there, I'm going to hit select a design. Now, since that is a social design that I created, I'm going to go ahead and build my my email from scratch. So I'm just going to do, I'm just going to select one. We're going to edit it. So I'm actually going to delete a bunch of this stuff. And we're basically going to start from a clean design. I'm just going to delete all of it. If you need legal footers or things like that, you can definitely leave those there. But basically, I just erased everything. We're just going to start this completely from scratch. I'm going to do Thanksgiving, and I'm going to mark this as tip video so that they know that's what this was used for. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to make this super simple. So we are going to drag in a legal header. That's going to populate based on the information in my marketing profile. You can see that by just clicking on it, and it will show you what information is there. Next, we're going to drag in an image. And from there, I'm going to do add an image. I've already downloaded that design to my computer. So I'm just going to select it. It's just Happy Thanksgiving one. Because it doesn't really say anything here, I'm going to go ahead and drag in a text box. We're going to edit that in 1 second. I'm also just going to maybe type in some words below that. So you can see it's inserting that here. Lastly, I'm just going to add the legal footer back by dragging that down here. And you can see it is there as well. This information also will pull from the marketing profile. You can see that by clicking there. So what I'm going to do here is hit on the text, hit edit, and I'm going to make this in the center. Sometimes it doesn't stick. Wishing you and your loved ones a stuffed, let's change that. Loved ones a very happy Thanksgiving. May you be stuffed with goodies and surrounded by loved ones. Just gonna keep it super simple. I'm gonna highlight that, change the text maybe, and make it a little bit bigger. And then I'm gonna hit done. So in this, done is your save. So once you do that, it's going to save that text. Using inline text is pretty great here because if you hit done, you'll see that it aligns it perfectly with my image, so that the text isn't going over past. It just looks a little cleaner. Up here, I just want to change this to say the same text. We're going to make it a little bit bigger. Whoops. I always highlight it just to make sure it takes, and then hit that, and then happy Thanksgiving from the entire SMM team. Okay, then we're gonna hit done. I can also change up the color of that if I want to. By clicking there, we're gonna hit done. So it just adds a little color. I can then preview, make sure I like that. Again, I just wanted it to be super short, simple. And then I'm gonna hit save. Then I can go ahead and X out of that, save changes again. Once I'm done there, I can go ahead and schedule that for Thanksgiving so that I don't even have to remember it. It will just go out either the day before or day of, and then, or I can just hit send. I'm gonna go ahead and hit save draft. That is our tip video for today. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or need additional support, feel free to reach out to us at support@scholarroymarketing.com. Have a great day.